Show me how you cook. Here, you dropped your spatula. A good chef tastes everything they make.
It's stone cold!
I'm recording.
It's bloody raw!
Who's that weirdo over there? Who is that creeper? Show me how you cook. There you go. Got your spatula, got your pot. There's a pair of pants on the ground. Whoops, did you drop it again? Here you go. Hi, baby.